Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for the longest time, so if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new, my name is Ayomidemxo. My channel focuses on lifestyle, fashion, business and beauty, but I have been gone for such a long time, so if you're new and you'd like videos on fashion and beauty, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and come back to YouTube because I really do miss actually showing you guys what I've got fashion wise, how I do my makeup and also skincare and also business. I focus most of my business on my podcast, She Plans a Future podcast, and you can actually head over to that channel as well. My podcast is available on all streaming platforms, so you can have a listen there, but I want to focus this channel more on lifestyle, what I'm going up to, and just show you everything that I'm buying really, because I've been spending money and it's my birthday coming up soon and I just really wanted to treat myself. But today's video is going to be on unboxing. Now I say unboxing, but I didn't come with a box, which is so annoying, so I'm going to be sharing you what I got myself for Christmas now. So as we all know, London, I live in London, is in lockdown, and this, I believe we were in, I think we were in tier 3 or tier 4, and we couldn't have any shops open, whereas the rest of the country, especially up north, were open, so they could go to Christmas shopping and also do Boxing Day sales. Unfortunately in London we couldn't do that because Selfridges was closed. So I saw this bag on the Selfridges app and I really needed it, so I thought let me just ring the Selfridges stores like in Manchester and Birmingham and see if they had the bag available. Unfortunately they didn't have the bag available, and I kept on ringing because no one was picking up. I thought, no, sorry, I need to get this bag this year because there's also a sale. So I was ringing. I rang and got through to an SA in Manchester. They told me the bag is not available, it's literally out of stock, you can't buy it. I thought, damn it, okay, I'm not going to get this bag then, like it wasn't really my time. So what's funny, like 10 minutes later I get a call from this number and I'm like, whose number is this? So I just think, okay, just pick it up, and it was an SA from the store in Birmingham. And I said, do you know what, we don't have this bag, but we have this bag. And I gasped, I was like, yep, I want it. So he literally sent me the link and I paid for it, and it came in about, I think, less than like 5 days. I was so happy about it. This is a designer bag that I haven't actually got from before, so I really wanted to start my collection with this designer brand, and what better way than to get this bag. So I'm really excited to show you what it is, and I really hate when people blabber on, so I'm going to show you now what I got. But first, like, guys, like, what do you think, what brand do you think I got? This is a brand that I've always wanted, and I'm going to show you it now. So it came only in the Selfridges box and also came with the dust bag. So it is from Saint Laurent. Yeah, and I really can't show this on, or maybe I should put it on here and show you. So this is the bag, so I'm going to show you. It is a nano sac de jour in crocodile leather. Guys, when he said we don't have the bag you want, because I was going to get the baby sack in like this khaki colour, but so we do have this colour. And the only reason it was reduced because I think, you know, Saint Laurent actually do sales on quite a lot of their things, like especially around Christmas time. But they had like a little scratch on it, and I thought, do you know what, I can't see it because it's cropped. But I absolutely love this bag. It is in the gold hardware, so the padlock is actually in gold. I just love how cute and small it is. It has the foot on there, and I haven't actually taken off all these little stickers, but there's the gold hardware, which I love, so it can actually just sit on the table like this. It is so cute. So it did come with this stuffing in it, and I will show you. So originally I wanted the baby sack because it had 3 compartments and a zip in the middle, so that's what I really wanted. But I thought because it was such a good price, I thought, why not, I should just might as well get it. And I believe I paid around £1,000. I put the price in the description what I paid. But for this bag, I thought it's a no-brainer. I literally screenshot it, sent it to my sister. I was like, this is the only bag they have. She was like, get it. And I was like, so excited. So it comes with a bag handle, so you can wear it crossbody, which I think would be perfect when I'm traveling, but I'm not traveling. So this is what I meant. It's an open bag. Now I really love the crocodile leather, but I always think that, do you know what, safety for me, so maybe I'm gonna have to put like a little small bag compartment with a little zip to put it in, because that is like easy access. Like anyone can literally just put their hand in my bag and get anything out. So I'm definitely gonna have to get some type of bag. But honestly guys, I think it is the most gorgeous bag, of course in black. The colour I wanted, I said before, was in khaki, and I thought, do you know what, it would just add to my collection, especially because I wasn't sure what YSL bag to get, and I'm really quite over having like the harsh, like, I say this, but of course if you see me with something that has like the logo everywhere, just don't judge me, but I didn't know really if I wanted like the YSL clutch that had the YSL. I really wanted something understated, and if people knew what it is, they knew what it is, you know what I mean? So this is the bag. I haven't really worn it yet because we are still in lockdown in the UK, but I think this is such a beautiful bag. I'm just going to try and show you some of the detail. And it is quite small as well. Like there'll be a picture I'll put here of me wearing it, just so you can see the size of it, and you can add your own little twilly if you want, which I did in the picture. But I think this bag is so lovely. It's not heavy at all. Bear in mind, I actually haven't filled this bag, but I have heard that the original Sactadrol, which is quite big, is quite heavy, and that's why they introduced the baby. But I think for Saint Laurent, I just had to get it. Like, I'm so happy with it. The fact that it's black as well, gold hardware. I prefer everything in black and gold, and even though I do wear some silver jewelry, but I really do love this bag, and I think it was a perfect gift for myself for Christmas. I really am starting to build my luxury collection, and I thought I really want to expand and grow and just not go for the brands that are really quite bait. I'm trying to look for understated pieces that I really love and actually will wear for the rest of my life, or just pass down to my children, my daughters, because, you know, I really love the idea of passing down little like jewelry or gifts to your children. So I'm so excited that I actually got to purchase this bag. I do wish it did come with a box, but I think a dust bag is completely fine, and I am keeping this so that it can keep the shape within the bag too. I'm just in love with this bag. I'm so happy. Like, with a nice all black outfit, blacked out shades, like a black leather jacket, black boots, even like what I'm wearing right now, it just goes. I'm literally so happy. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching this short unboxing. Hopefully there'll be more during the year. I have planned to film more videos for you guys, so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I actually show more of my luxury pieces which I get on there, and if you were following me already, you would have seen some of the stuff I got, which I got before my birthday. So a birthday luxury haul is coming on the way. But thank you guys so much, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.